In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Lovable app in Netlify with a custom domain. We'll take your app from Lovable, package it up, and get it live on Netlify using the quick upload method. By the end, you'll have a working deployment and be set up to point your custom domain at it. Start on the Lovable dashboard. Open your list of projects by selecting all projects, then click into the project you want to publish. Once you're inside the project, switch to the code view. This lets you confirm the project structure and, most importantly, that there's an index.html file. Open index.html just to make sure it's present and looks correct. With that verified, download the project files from the code view. This will give you a folder or a zip you can upload directly to Netlify. Tip: make sure the index.html is at the top level of the folder you plan to upload. Netlify looks for that file to serve your site. Now head to your Netlify dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Projects, then click Add New Project. You'll see a few ways to deploy. There's an option to start building with an AI agent and one to import a Git repository for continuous deployment. For this walkthrough, choose Upload your project files so we can publish instantly without setting up a repo. On the upload screen, you can drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file. If you prefer a file picker, click the option to choose a folder. Select the folder you downloaded from Lovable, then confirm the selection and click Upload. Netlify will process the files and start the deployment. After a short moment, your site will be live on a temporary Netlify URL. If you don't see your site as expected, double-check that index.html is in the root of what you uploaded and that any assets referenced in your HTML are in the correct relative paths. If your app normally requires a build step or environment variables, consider using the Git import option instead so Netlify can run the build for you. With your site live, you're ready to connect your custom domain from your project's settings in Netlify whenever you're ready. For now, you've successfully moved your Lovable app into production using the simplest upload flow. That's it. Download from Lovable, add a new project in Netlify, choose Upload your project files, pick your folder, and click Upload. Your app is live and ready for its custom domain.